Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 2 says, find the volume of a cone that has a height of 5 inches if the radius at the base is 2 inches, and it tells us to use 3.14 as the approximation for pi. So I can draw a diagram to help us visualize this problem, and if I want to represent a cone, all I have to do is draw a circle, a little flattened, and then on each of the sides of the circle, as it may be, I'm just going to draw a triangle. And so the height of my cone is 5 inches, I can label that. And the radius at the base, I can put a dot in the center, extend a line to the outside edge of the circle, and mark 2 inches. And that would be a picture representation of the problem. I can then go ahead and use the formula for the volume of a cone. Volume equals 1/3 times pi times the radius squared times the height of the cone, or volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. And then I'm going to substitute. Volume equals 1/3. The approximation for pi is 3.14 as given in the problem. The radius is going to be 2 inches, and that's going to be squared, and the height of the cone is 5 inches. And then I'm going to do a little bit of simplifying. Volume equals 1/3 times 3.14, the approximation for pi. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4, and 4 times 5 is 20. And now I can multiply across the numerators. I'll show ones in the denominator to help visualize. 1 times 3.14 times 20 would be 62.8, and 3 times 1 would be 3. If I punch that into a calculator and round off to 2 decimal places, the volume of this cone will be approximately 20.93 cubic inches.